Hello everybody, this is PJ and this is another LeetCode challenge. This is a challenge number 22 in PHP level difficulty easy, and today we have a challenge called Long Pressed Name, and we have provided a name into a keyboard. Sometimes when typing characters, the key might get long pressed and the character will be typed one or more times. So we need to examine the typed characters of the keyboard and return true if it is possible that it was a friend name, with some characters, possibly none, being long pressed. So here we have some examples. So Alex could be typed like this when we have double E here, and we're returning true because yes, E was long pressed. And the same here. This one actually is false because it's Said, and we only have one E here. And Lily, yes, this is true because we have double E, triple E, double L, triple E, but this is long pressed, and if we remove one L and one E here, we have Lily, so that's true. And this is just exactly the same, so it's true as well. So we're gonna try to solve it, and this is easy. And I'm you know, it's taken me a while actually come up with the solution I'm about to tell you. It may not be, as always, the only solution, but I'm going to tell you how I would solve this particular problem. I'm going to use regular expressions to do it, so let's get into it. So first of all, I'm just going to split the name into individual characters in the array. I'm using string split, a PHP function which will put every character of the name into this array. Now, for each element of this array, I'm going to construct regular expression, and the way I'm going to approach this is I'm going to, so for the name like this, like Alex, I'm going to create a regular expression like this, which means if you know regular expressions, that plus means at least one, but also more characters. So if we now look at what we actually getting as typed, then we can see that this matches because there are two A's, which is fine, long pressed. L, which is only one, that matches. E, double E matches this, and X matches this. So, and that would match every single of these, and the same with Lily. That would also work with this one as well. I'm not really sure if that would definitely solve it, but that's my idea of solving it. Let's try to make it work. So we're going to create a pattern. On each iteration, we're going to add a character and, like I said, plus to it, and that will construct a pattern like this, that we will then be able to use as a regular expression. So now let's check if that regular expression matches the typed string, and we will use preg match function, and we will just put pattern here and typed string as well, and if that matches, we will return true, and otherwise we will return false. Okay, So let's run this code. And as you can see, that works for the provided examples, but that doesn't mean that if we now submit this function, because it's going to run many more examples, if that's going to work as a solution for this problem. This happens to me before, where all the examples worked, but not necessarily submitted solution worked. So let's try if that is going to work in that case. As you can see, it is a wrong answer. Okay, because we have typed Alexa. Okay, so I think what we need to do, as you can see, this is wrong because we have additional characters here. Okay, so that shouldn't work. So the way to fix it is just to indicate the beginning and the end of the pattern of regular expression. That will fix this particular issue, but let's see if other issues are going to come up as well. Okay, yes, and we have another sort of funny example. Oh, now I can see it. Okay, and what we have here is just a string that consists of a, and for some reason it doesn't really match. Okay, but they are equal, so the way to solve it as well, I mean, before, and that's actually a good practice, before we start doing anything, we can just check if name equals type, and then we will return true. That will save us processing power and save us running all of this code if they just match straight away. So let's try to submit this solution now. Okay, yeah, and that works. As you can see, faster than 66% of PHP online submissions, memory usage, and things like that. So it seems simple. I don't think it's really that simple. It's indicated as easy. I don't know, let me know what you think in the comments, whether this is easy or what other solutions you have to solve it, or if you have any questions regarding this this particular problem. Let me know in the comments what you think, and otherwise thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.